Decoding the mystery. Using that in reported speech. Hello, English explorers. Welcome to another episode of your language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve into an essential part of intermediate English grammar, particularly focusing on reported speech. We will zoom in on a critical aspect, reporting statements with can, could, and be able to, and the role of the conjunction, that, in these sentences. Are you ready to untangle the mystery of that? Let's get started. Before we dive into the depths, let's refresh our basics. Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, is a way to express what someone else has said. It's a fantastic tool when we want to describe a conversation or share information that we heard elsewhere. For example, the direct speech, I can swim, becomes, he said that he could swim, in reported speech. Now, let's focus on the role of that in these statements. That is a conjunction, and its function here is to connect the reporting verb, e.g., said, told, with the reported clause, what was actually said. The usage of that is usually optional in English. Our previous example, he said that he could swim, is equally correct as, he said he could swim. However, it's essential to understand that sometimes, that brings clarity to your sentences and avoids any potential misunderstandings. For example, consider the sentence, he told me something interesting. If we want to report what he told, we might say, he told me that he could fly an airplane. Here, that clearly separates the message from the other parts of the sentence. When reporting statements involving the modal verbs, can, could, and be able to, we follow specific rules. Can usually changes to could often stays as could, be able to remains the same. Let's look at a few examples. 1. He said that he can play the piano, becomes, he said that he could play the piano, in reported speech. 2. She said that she could speak French, stays as, she said that she could speak French. 3. They said that they are able to finish the task, is reported as, they said that they were able to finish the task. Remember that these changes are due to the backshift of tenses, which is a common feature in reported speech. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using that in reported statements involving can, could, and be able to. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to report conversations more accurately and naturally in English. Keep practicing, and it'll soon become second nature. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. Every step you take, no matter how small, is progress. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Keep exploring, keep learning,